What's up, y'all? And we're just connecting. Welcome. My name is Peter Olguin. I'm a husband, I'm a dad, I'm a Marine Corps veteran, and someone who cares deeply about helping Hispanic families take control of their money. I know a lot of us grew up the same way. We worked hard, we tried to do the right things, but nobody ever sat down and explained to us how money really works or how to build something stable for our kids. And because of that, so many families feel behind, stressed out, confused, and just hoping everything works out. So on this page, you're going to see three things: simple money education without complications, ways to protect your home and grow your money safely, and faith driven guidance to help lead your family well. My goal is to show you strategies that give you control, stability, and options so you're not depending on the stock market, the government, or guesswork. If you've ever been confused about retirement, taxes, or how to start building real wealth, you're not alone, and this is a safe place for you to learn. So, drop a comment and let me know where you and your family are from. I'm looking forward to connecting with you, and God bless.